Hi, today's treat is a pantry scrub and moisturizer.
For the scrub, I'll be using cinnamon and honey, and for the moisturizer, I'll be using cacao and coconut oil. It's quite simple. Mix the cinnamon and honey as I'll describe in the description box, and then the cacao and the coconut oil to moisturize afterwards. This quantity lasted a few days, but not a problem because one can easily make a new batch. Do remember to do a patch test before going ahead to use this, just so as to be sure you don't react to it. Also remember to scrub gently, as I found the cinnamon to be quite abrasive. First apply the cinnamon and honey scrub and let it sit for like between 10-20 minutes. Then rinse off your face like you normally do when you wash your face, and then go ahead to apply the moisturizer. The cacao and coconut oil moisturizer serves to moisturize your face, like as the name implied. I basically rinsed off the moisturizer without any soap, pat dried my face and went to bed. Next morning I just washed my face like I normally do and applied baby cream, because that is a lot milder than regular body cream. I would recommend you do this maybe 2 or 3 times in a week, and the result I got here, you can see it was impressive. It left my face better than it was. I'll try to be consistent with this at least twice a week and then give updates in a future video. Do remember to check the description box for more information. See you soon.